We've been using Cherwell for 2 years now. And what had happened was our old platform was very disengaging for employees, and we were upgrading, and the upgrade was not working very well. So the CIO asked me to take over, and so the first thing I did was upgrade as soon as possible, hired an ITSM expert, and that's when we started looking at our processes and looking at our structure, and then looking for the right platform that would re-engage our employees and enable service excellence. We started looking at platforms, and we looked at the Gartner quadrant, and our old system was part in the leaders, so we didn't want to look at anything in the leaders because it wasn't doing what we needed it to do. And so we looked and we saw Cherwell in the challenger, and we're like, wow, let's check this out.
This is the tool we founded. It was that kind of eureka moment.
Where Cherwell was different is with all our other vendors, I go, can I do this? Can I do that? And they're like, yes, we can do it all. When I asked Cherwell, I said, hey, can we do this? Can we do that? The gentleman looked at me and goes, Janine, you're asking the wrong question. It's not whether we can do that, but whether you should. When we started the implementation project, the ITSM architect come in, he goes, I want to do this all agile because the technology will allow us to do that. And so the project manager was able to do a bit of a hybrid. We did the waterfall for the engagement tactics, and then all the development was agile.
We were able to actually roll it out very quickly. Within 10 weeks, once we sort of did the due diligence work, the sprint started a 10-week cycle of 2-week sprints, then user testing. So within weeks, we had a fully viable product using incident management, change management, service request management, and CMDB ready to roll out within 10 weeks.
It took longer to create the curriculum and train than actually develop it and implement it.
Because it's so flexible, it allowed us to develop quickly, make changes quickly, and then move on to the next sprint right on schedule.
We have embedded technology into every piece of the way we deliver care. Our clinicians, our physicians, our nurses all really rely on technology to increase their efficiencies and to drive positive patient outcomes.
Cherwell inside of our organization gave us a flexibility, a platform that we could really bend to our will versus having ours constantly bending to its will.
We'd want the providers to be concentrating on patient care, and we'll concentrate on technology.
If we start to see a high amount of tickets, if we start to see some incidents, it proactively alerts us.
It has dashboards, so we're always understanding what our customer needs are.
So that we can actually go out there and have the right team at the right site and be more proactive in our service approach so that it doesn't impact patient care.
And then when we're not doing as well, we're able to be proactive.
But Cherwell really was a partnership. It's not just now that you have the product, we'll talk to you later. There's constant engagement and meaningful engagement, which is really important because it keeps us in the loop and it makes us feel like we have a partner to help us through this whole thing.